Hey guys, today's set is packed up with cool devices for all occasions. Need to monitor your heartbeat? We've got the device for that. Need to look gorgeous? We've got the device for that. Need the device to create your new masterpiece? We've got it. Oh, you might think of your own crocodile as a pet. All the links to the products are given in the description box. Let's get started. Are you into pixel art? Here's the most popular smart pixel display by Divoom. With a 9.6-inch LED screen, it's the most advanced LED pixel screen with a 32 by 32 pixel size display with some big upgrades. It's noticeably thinner compared to other products and much more portable. It comes with 2 suction cups, which means it's easy to install on smooth vertical surfaces like glass, doors, windows, or tiles. This smart device will replace all the stickers on your car at once and provide other road users with some glanceable info. The panel remains fully visible under direct sunlight. It's also possible to set the device up on a desk with the black stick. Both compatible with Android and iOS mobile devices, the Divoom app gives you access to an enormous picture and animation gallery. Could you ever think of a smarter digital photo frame or a digital clock? Being away from your loved ones can be truly unbearable sometimes. This gadget will help every couple to feel close even when separated by thousands of miles. All you need is to get these bracelets for you and your partner. When you touch your bracelet, the other one will gently vibrate and glow with the color you've chosen. Setting up your profiles and selecting colors is really easy with the mobile app. Set up the date of your next encounter and the app will begin counting the days with you. The bracelets are waterproof. You can keep them on almost everywhere. The battery lasts up to 4 days, and if you've somehow missed a touch from your partner, the app will notify you. The bands come in several great colors. Naturally, each package contains 2 bracelets. If you're into any kind of sports, here's a fitness gadget you'll definitely appreciate. Basically, it's a super handy heart rate sensor. You can place it either on your arm or temple, which may actually be more comfortable than a chest strap. The sensor supports both Bluetooth and Ant Plus connectivity, so you can easily pair it with your phone or other fitness gadgets. But if you don't usually take your phone to workouts, no problem. The gadget's equipped with built-in storage that allows it to record up to 200 hours of training. With its waterproof design, this sensor is also suitable for swimmers. Moreover, a swimming goggle strap is included in the package, along with an armband and USB charging cable. The battery lasts up to 12 hours. Great! This incredible plane model will definitely blow away any DIY fan. You can tell it's a high-end kit just looking at the beautiful packaging. The metal parts are shiny and extremely durable. The model is incredibly detailed, and most importantly, all the propellers are actually active. There's a special mechanism in the base that uses multiple gears to make the plane almost take off on desk. Moreover, the structure is deeply thought through so that all the propellers move simultaneously. By the way, the scale is 1 to 300. The model might be a bit tough for beginners, but you actually get both a book and a video with step-by-step instructions. Just do it! There's a better way to kill time than scrolling your Instagram, and definitely more relaxing. These pentagons are equipped with strong rare earth magnets which allow you to construct various figures easily. There are more than 100 combinations, and you can always create your own. The included guide will quickly introduce you to the basics, and then you're free to use your imagination. But if you're too tired to assemble some complex shapes, here's a great tip. If you just shake the pentagons in your palm, they'll automatically form a beautiful sphere. Each set includes 12 pieces, so there's lots to explore. In this noisy world, we often find it difficult to focus on a single thing, so this unique puzzle will help you improve your concentration skills. Thanks to the premium materials and precise machining, the cube looks almost like a piece of jewelry. It includes 8 pieces which are made from stainless steel and brass. This thing actually weighs a lot for its size, about 1.5 pounds. Inside a cube, there's a hidden cavity where you might store something precious, but you'll have to solve it first. Maybe you'll start wearing cufflinks when you see these. They bring a touch of vividness to the classic accessory, making it more suitable for men. For instance, the Dice collection features 360-degree gyroscopic movement. These cufflinks are already a complex gadget including 34 components. The material depends on the version. It can be just stainless steel, or you might pay extra money for rose and yellow gold. Same goes for the Rotor collection. There's also a broad variety of colors to choose from the solid ones to the more creative combinations. The gyro cufflinks have the most complex structure. The rotatable mechanism consists of 56 elements, including 12 ball bearings. The skull collection is no less impressive, especially if you have some enemies to deal with. It looks like a spaceship control panel, but it's actually an innovative music-making gadget with immense functionality. Suitable both for production and live performances, it combines a whole bunch of different tools. You get a professional drum machine along with a synthesizer, sequencer, MIDI controller, and looper. Wow, the gadget comes with more than 450 preloaded sounds. Also, there are 16 master effects like reverb, delay, and all sorts of filters, which are fully adjustable. Navigating through all your sounds is really easy with the LED display. Another important element is the backlit ring. It isn't just a decoration, but also a powerful controller which allows you to trigger sounds and record sequences. You can either use it wirelessly or fix it to the base with the strong magnets. The lights are also customizable and should look great at your live performance. Now, if you want to freak somebody out, here's a great way to do that. This little boat was designed to look exactly like an alligator head, so it makes a perfect weapon for a prank. The boat is controlled with a remote control, so you can be far away from the crime scene. There are just 2 sticks for moving in 4 different directions. This alligator reaches a max speed of 15 miles an hour, which makes it even more realistic. It's also completely waterproof, since the charging ports are covered with rubber. The rechargeable battery allows about 15 minutes runtime, should be more than enough for your prank, and if the battery level gets low, the speed will drop automatically by 40%, so you can manage to bring the boat back. Actually, this thing can also protect your pool from waterfowl. The next gadget is literally a fire. Using the triple torch mechanism, it delivers the kind of flame that can easily burn through an aluminum can. The lighter is absolutely windproof, so you can light a cigar in the middle of a storm. Aside from the regular wheel on top, there's another one underneath. By slightly rotating the wheel, you can lock the fire so it just keeps constantly burning as long as you wish. The little hole in the bottom allows you to refill the gas when needed. Despite its terrifying power, this lighter remains completely pocketable and really sleek as well. It's plated with high-grade zinc alloy and comes in several gorgeous colors. What about wearing a sports car on your wrist? This incredible watch is designed to recreate the main attributes of the iconic Bugatti Chiron in a completely different form. So the watch is equipped with a super detailed model of a 16-cylinder engine which can actually run. You have to simply push one of the crowns to activate the incredible animation. This tiny engine consists of 578 components. You can even see 2 turbochargers spinning on the right. Another awesome piece is the flying Tourbillon, which features a 30-degree inclination. The large sapphire crystals on top and sides make the whole mechanism clearly visible from any angle. And the case is made of a solid steel piece.